Good morning, guys. Kagigising ko lang. Ang mga bata kanina pa nagising. I know you're awake. You're just pretending.
Mom, did you even pack
I already
my
done.
pajamas?
I already done. My God, my back right now it's hurt.
Did you pack my underwear and all that?
Yeah. So Tuesday we are
What about the Crocs shoes?
not yet. Daddy said we're gonna buy a new one. I don't know. And then my back is hurting so bad, and I'm so tired because of yesterday that I'm packing. And then Tuesday, we're going to the chiropractor to adjust my back.
That's when we're going to the Philippines.
Yeah, Tuesday morning we are going to the chiropractor, and then after that, we're heading to LA, to the airport. Sila guys, kanina pa gising, especially si Sawyer. Ako yung nahuli. Dahil katawad akong bumangon. Si Shelton tsaka si Sawyer ay nasa baba. Hanugod sila ng TV. Hindi pa pala sila kumain ng breakfast. Tinamad naman si Shelton magluto ng kanilang breakfast. So, magluluto ako guys ng itlog. Tapos may rice naman. Yan. Itlog tsaka rice. Ayan, may rice naman. May bahaw na kanin.
Mom, there's no shrimp.
In the bottom.
It's not there.
It's there in the bottom, Sam. In the bottom of that freezer. It's in the freezer.
Yeah. It's not here.
It's
The bag? It's a plastic bag. Something. I don't see any shrimp.
that one.
That?
Yeah.
This isn't shrimp.
What is that?
I don't know.
Hipon. Shrimpy. Shrimpy.
I don't know. That's good.
Come in. You don't have shoes, oh. Nah. I'm gonna get mad right now. Pinakakuha guys namin yung shrimp kasi lulutuin ko to siya guys. Para sa aming hapunan. Then guys, Korean tuyo. Anchovy. Hindi kasi siya mabaho dito sa bahay pag niluluto.
How many minutes?
1 minute. Ininit ni Samantha yung bahaw guys sa kanin. Kasi ang ulam namin ay tuyo. Yan. Galing siyang Korea guys.
I'm gonna go in the backyard.
We can't go in the backyard right now.
Remember the dance you learned that was like, that's like, I look like I'm drunk.
Because you're tired.
Mom,
What?
it's cloudy out there.
I know it's cloudy.
It's like, did they kill tiny fishes? Mom, it was like, Gostoko, that one?
Igiling-giling mo.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that one I saw on my,
Yeah.
Mom.
Igiling,
We can both do it
igiling.
together.
Mo, lagi. Nakasamo ko.
We can both do it together because I kind of know a bit.
Yeah. We'll wait for a minute.
Cappuccino, cappuccino. Me. Tung, 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 tung.
I know you want fish. Hold on.
Sahur or Sahooter? Mom, is this the rice?
It's in the microwave.
It's ready.
There's not.
Tung, 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 Sahur. Stop, Shelton. Mom, she's trying to get in your video.
Okay, dokie. It's done. Ito ang aming breakfast. Tuyo at saka itlog. O, diba? Ito mga to, ang abtik kayo mukaon.
She's gonna drop it.
Don't drop it, Sam.
My phone is strong.
Kakain na kami. ng breakfast. Kung hindi ako bumaba, guys, wala, hindi sila kakain. Ewan ko ano kakain nila. Katamaran nila mag... Okay. Hey, give Sawyer first rice and the eggs.
Compared to Samantha.
Come on.
This one I'm long, so
It's a girl shop when he wants to be.
wait, like if I do gel nails, my nails are gonna be long.
Go. Guys, you have to, I told you, your brother first before us. Makailangan ko na itong anuhin, guys, oh. Lagyan ng suka. Wala ng suka.
No! I'm always the one doing stuff. No fighting. Oh my god.
Get Sawyer. Where's Sawyer's food?
Where, does he use a small plate or?
Just use a bowl. A little bowl.
Let's take a few fishes. Are these hot?
Give him egg. Little eggs and...
Fishy. Then I need the vinegar.
Have to wait.
You can't just use them. No, I got a fork for me.
I'm good. Why you guys are fighting again?
Bro, I literally got that fork for me, and then she was like, I never said that. I just thought that. Mom, are you oh no, you're not cooking.
Where's Sawyer? Get Sawyer's food back. My God. You're only thinking about you guys self.
That's not yours.
You and Brad. You and... Bowl, Sam. Bowl.
Oh.
Bowl for Sawyer. Nagutom eh. Hungry? You guys hungry?
Wait, why do I even need this? That fork goes with that.
Okay. Here's Sawyer.
I thought, but I forgot I'm using my hands.
Is it good?
Uh-huh.
I thought you didn't like this kind of cook of the eggs, Shelton. Here's Sawyer.
Mom, are they gonna make all of this in the Philippines? Last night wouldn't stop.
Why it's bleeding?
I don't know. Maybe it's
Kanya-kanya silang kain, guys, oh. Andun si Shelton. Andito si Sawyer at saka si Sam. Yeah!
That's for me.
Here. Yeah, how about you? Here, Sawyer. Say, kaon. Kaon tanan. Good job, so. Ako naman ay naghihintay sa kanin kasi hindi pa naluto yung kanin, guys. Over there in Mama's house, there's a lot of fish.
Mom, wait, does she have a lake?
Huh? No, we can go to the market. You wanna go to the market and see
Mom,
what it look like?
Mom,
Huh?
Mommy, next, Irene made, spaghetti there, and they made it out of pasta. Next time you make spaghetti, can you make it out of pasta?
Yeah. I thought you guys don't like pasta.
What do you
A
mean?
penny pasta.
I love pasta. I'm Italian.
We can do that over there.
Just buy the noodles and just make the spaghetti sauce and that just it.
Yeah. Sawyer! Eat! Uy! Okay, eat na. Paunahin ko muna silang kumain, guys. Dahil yung bahaw ay hindi marami. Kunti lang. Pagkakape muna ako. Sila muna unahin ko. Ha?
Is there such thing as fish chips?
Yeah. There is.
Start eating!
Kape tayo, guys. Kape muna ako. Kumakain pa sila. Hindi pa luto yung rice. Tapos na kaming kumain, guys. Yung mga bata andun na sa taas. At ako naman ay maglilinis dito. Ligpitin ko tong mga, lagay ko to sa Tupperware kasi ito yung sobra nila. Mas mag-igi dun sila sa taas kasi nga walang maggulo dito sa baba. Madidisturbo yung paglilinis ko dito. Huy! Put it like nicely.
Ow!
Hey, Pad, first before that one. Sam, did you clean up the bathroom?
No?
It's your turn to clean up.
Okay.
Oh my God, Shelton! You better clean up this one. Hindi niya inayos yung damit niya na tinupik ko. Nilagalan niya sa gilid. Maglilinis kami ngayon ni Shelton ng room. Take that out in there. It's not belong in there, boy. Come on.
I usually leave this right here.
Nope.
I do.
We have to bring that downstairs. Because that's not belong in there. Daming kalat sa room niya. So, oh, don't do that! You're gonna break the vacuum, Shelton.
Sorry.
Give it to me. Give it. Oh yeah, straight that one. No, don't put in there. Give it to me. We're just gonna put it in the
Why
side.
does Samantha have one?
There is, but it's stay in her closet. Oh, come on.
I want mine to
Pick
be
it up.
down here.
No, because I have to put this thing. Come on. Do that.
Sorry, keeps eating cookies in my room.
Look, there's a lot of naku. Super ang dumi ng room ni Shelton. Grabe. Under the bed. Nakita ko na naman ang dapat hindi ko makita.
Can you help me let me do that, Sawyer?
Nag-general cleaning kami ngayon guys dahil para pag alis namin malinis yung kwarto nila, kwarto namin at buong bahay.
Nothing was here. It's so clean.
Oh, clean.
I
Barely just kadiha ron. Huli lagi.
Yeah, nothing.
All the
is,
trash is there.
Nothing is.
There's more under.
I'm keeping this in here. I need chapstick.
There's more. No, Sawyer. Still there.
What? Oh.
Ha?
Wiping it down the counters.
Naglilinis si Sam ng
I
bathroom.
already lost my chapstick, so.
Dali! Dumating na yung luggage protector, guys.
Sorry.
I'm gonna take ka ron. Bring that downstairs in the garage. So, ito yung sleeves nito, guys. Kasi, 4 lang yung mayroon ako. So, ito yun. Bumili
Did you
na ako.
already deep clean it?
Yeah, I did. You have to vacuum that one later.
What'd you get?
Medium yung in-order ko. Tingnan natin kung magkasya. Kasi medium tong, tama, medium. Yeah, medium. Kasi kulang ako ng isa. 4 lang yung mayroon ako eh. So, let's see. Magkasya siya. Kasi medium. Yan. Kasi magkakulay sila. Yan. Maganda siya. Tapos ito yung zipper ng ito. Ayan. Yeah, ang bigat. Okay. Wow, oh. Maganda na siya. Meron ng sleeves lahat ng aking luggage, guys. Meron na lahat sila. So, ayan. Okay na. Dahan-dahan ko siyang ibababa guys dahil kailangan ko linisin ko yung hallway dito. Sabi ni asawa, siya na lang daw pag-uwi pero hindi na ako makapaghintay. So, ibababa ko na lang sa baba itong mga luggage na to.
Watch this, boy.
No, just drag it. Shout, Samantha. Like this. Just drag it. Just slide
I
it.
have a bigger one. Children, 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 children.
Slide it.
About to go rolling down in the hill. I got that one.
Oh,
I got this.
wait. It's heavy.
This was crazy.
There's some. It's very light.
Yes, I know. Mom, are you bringing your lips in order? I need to bring mine.
Put it in my luggage. In my Tingnan natin guys yung room ni Sawyer, ni Shelton kung tapos na siyang naglinis. Wow, malinis na yung room niya. Ang bango na. Dito nalinis na rin niya yung kanyang lagayan ng mga books. Ayan. Yung bed sheets niya pagkalagay bumaliktad. Dapat ito dito pero hayaan ko na lang kasi maayos naman ang pagkalagay na niya. Tapos, nag-dusting na rin siya. Ayan. Okay na. Na-vacuum na rin niya. Ano ba to? Ano ba to? Oh, sa kanyang switch. Okay na. Malinis na yung kanyang room. Malinis na ang kanyang room. Nagda-dusting si Sam. Hindi pa siya tapos sa kanyang room. Yung room namin ay na-vacuum ko na rin. Nakapag-dusting na rin ako. Nagutom na ako guys. Kaya lutuin ko na ang hipon. Gagawin kong halabos na hipon. Binabad ko na siya sa Sprite. Tapos lagyan ko siya ng butter. And isang ganito para masarap. Lagyan natin ng butter. Yan. Nakapack na yung ano ko guys, yung selfie stick ko. Kaya nilagay ko sa ibabaw ng tissue yung aking cellphone. Lagyan natin ng ito, garlic. Damihan natin para masarap. Sana hindi mahulog ng ating cellphone. Hipon. Lagay na natin. Binabad ko muna sa Sprite ang hipon guys. Para manamis-namis. Pero lagyan natin ng Sprite. Yan. Seven Up, wala akong tawag dito Sprite, kaya 7 Up ko din. Lagyan natin itong paminta. Luto na guys ang halabos na hipon. Mabilis lang siyang lutuin. Kakain na muna ako kasi gutom na talaga ako. Tinapos ko kasi yung ginagawa ko sa taas. Nilinis ko muna tapos saka ako kakain. Kaya ngayon, luto ng aking shrimp. Kakain na muna ako guys. Ayun yung aking ulam. Shrimp. Sarap. Mabilis lang maluto ang shrimp kasi nga pag ma-overcook siya, ano siya tawag dito? Para siyang rubber. Sarap. Kuha ko lang suka. May suka na ako. Masarap to siya pag ituslot ng ano, suka. Sarap. Si Sawyer tulog. O Shelton, kumain kanya ng burger. Si Sam hindi pa. Gutom.